So we start with case 2. Case 2 again same running fix and same simple without any current and leeway, but it's not that we can take uh, position line or bearing from only one lighthouse. So in this case, we will take bearing from two lighthouses. We have bearing 1 at 0800 and bearing 2 at 0815. The course and speed is given between the bearings. We have to find the final position. So what we do, we plot the first bearing and we lay the run of course and distance and the speed. Then we transfer the first bearing and we plot the second bearing wherever it cuts. That is our final position. So initial bearing is 0800. This bearing is given from this lighthouse, and then the second bearing is given. But this initial bearing, we don't know where is the ship, so we assume any position where the ship is, and we plot the run, that is the course and distance of what is given. So suppose the speed is 15 knots. So uh, whatever is the speed, we divide it by 60 and multiply by 15 for 15 minutes. And we assume a point, and from there we draw the course and distance. And then we plot the second bearing. Then we plot the second PL, that is the green one, and we take the initial PL 0800 PL and transfer at the DR position which we got after putting the run of the vessel. So ship will be at this uh, point somewhere here, in case the initial position was this, but the initial position is not fixed. So to find out the final position, we take the initial bearing and transfer it to the DR position, and wherever the transferred initial position, which is marked with two arrows both up and down, and the final green line single arrow final position, wherever the transferred initial position and the final bearing line transferred initial PL and final bearing line meet, that is our actual fix or 0815 position at the final PL. Now if you want the initial position, to transfer the course line, the course and distance from the final to the initial, and you will get the initial position at 0800. So this is running fix. So if you want to see the initial position, so you draw a parallel line and this is your initial position at 0800. So ship was here and it went to this course and distance, and final 8:15 this ship took the second bearing. So this is our running fix simple case. Now next case is running fix with leeway. We have already seen what is leeway. It's the effect of the wind. So again we have one PL, initial PL, and we have the vessel's course and distance. So this is the course steer without the effect of wind, the normal course to steer which is given in the question. Now wind is northerly, wind is coming from the north. So we always use allowing method. So because we have the course to steer, so the wind will take the course away from the wind, the ship away from the wind. So here if the leeway angle is 15 degrees, the ship will go 15 degrees away from the wind, and we will get the leeway track which is 50 degrees southern direction of this course. Suppose this course was 095, so new leeway track will be 110. which will be your leeway track or course made good if there is no current. And once we mark the speed or we get the estimated position, from there we will transfer the initial position line, which will be marked with double arrows. So the initial position line will always be transferred to the final position if there is leeway or current. So we apply the leeway and current and then we transfer the position line. And then we plot the second PL or the final PL, and wherever the transferred PL and the final PL cut, that is our position. Now we see case 4 where running fix is with current. We have the initial PL. We assume one point and draw the ship's course. Then because we have the course to steer, so we will use allowing method. We put the set and rate in the final position or DR position, and we draw the set and drift of the current, which is denoted by 3 arrows always, and we get the estimated position or new position, assumed position of the ship in case ship was moving on this line and drifted by the current. Again, what we will do, we will transfer the initial position line to this estimated position we have got after the current, and then we will draw the second PL, and wherever it cuts, that will be our fix. So then we draw the second bearing. So wherever the initial bearing transferred initial bearing and the final bearing cut, that is our fix. Make sure we are transferring the initial bearing from the what you call estimated position and not the course to steer end position. And once you get the final, you join the initial position in assumed initial position and the estimated position, that will be your course made good. But still this is not your actual position of the ship because this we have just assumed. So if you want to get the ship's actual position, again we transfer the course made good because on that point ship is moving. We don't transfer the course to steer, but in this case we will transfer the course made good. That is this line. Transfer the blue line, and again transferred line will be marked in the starting with 2 arrows, and we have to mark that we have to write here that this is the transferred PL for transferred PL initial, whatever time we have to write. Okay. So now we take case 5 where we have both the wind and current. So similar thing, but just remember from the starting what we did, allowing and contracting. So in allowing we first put leeway and then the current. So same, we have a initial bearing and then we have the ship's course to steer and distance. So we plot the course and distance, and then we have the leeway like the previous example. So we have the wind and the leeway which is given. So wind is southerly and it will take the ship towards the land, that is towards north 15 degrees. So we get the leeway track, and that will be our new course leeway track. But then we mark for the distance, and then from final estimated position 1 we plot the set which is given, set and rate of the whatever timing the bearings we are given, and we get the new course made good. But this is not the actual position of the ship. So to get the actual position of the ship, we again transfer the initial PL from this point. From this point, we will transfer the PL. That is your estimated position 2. So this is your course made good we got, and we transferred the initial PL marked with 2 arrows, and we write this is the transferred PL, and then we plot the second PL, and we get the fix, and that is your